Stand in any hardware aisle, outdoor store, or even a big box retailer today, and you'll notice a category of products that's grown bigger, brighter, and more advanced than ever before. Flashlights, once simple tools meant for camping trips or the occasional power outage, now look more like high-tech gear. Adjustable beams, tactical frames, massive lumen ratings, rechargeable batteries, and multifunction emergency features. And they're flying off shelves. Across the United States, demand for ultra-bright flashlights and emergency gadgets is surging. And the reasons behind this shift reveal a lot about how Americans are thinking, preparing, and spending in 2026. At first, it may seem unusual. Why would flashlights, a product that hasn't changed dramatically for decades, suddenly become one of the fastest-growing categories in retail? The answer lies in a mix of environmental realities, safety concerns, technological leaps, and changing consumer habits. The first and most immediate driver is the growing frequency of power outages. Across multiple regions, weather events have become more severe and more unpredictable. Heat waves, winter storms, heavy rains, and high winds are straining electrical grids and causing blackouts that last hours, sometimes days. As outages become more common, Americans are preparing differently. Instead of relying on old battery-powered lights or phones as makeshift flashlights, they're investing in ultra-bright, high-capacity lighting tools designed specifically for emergencies. These new flashlights aren't just brighter, they're smarter. Many include multiple brightness settings, wide beam modes, SOS strobes, and long-range spotlight capabilities. Some can illuminate entire rooms, campsites, or work areas during emergencies. The ability to turn darkness into daylight, even temporarily, has become a highly valued feature. Another major driver is the rise in outdoor recreation. Hiking, camping, fishing, road tripping, and off-grid travel have all seen a major resurgence. People want gear that's reliable, durable, and capable of handling real-world conditions. Ultra-bright flashlights give them confidence during nighttime activities, early morning treks, and late-evening campsite routines. The modern outdoor consumer wants tools that perform at a professional level, stepped up with rugged, water-resistant, drop-tested designs. But the trend goes beyond flashlights. Portable emergency radios, crank-powered chargers, compact power banks, multifunction survival tools, and personal safety alarms. Interestingly, consumers aren't buying these tools out of fear, but out of practicality. They want to be prepared. They want to feel self-sufficient. And they want compact modern gear that fits easily into drawers, glove compartments, and go bags. Another reason for the surge is the advancement in LED and battery technology. Today's flashlights can produce thousands of lumens while remaining small enough to fit in a pocket. Rechargeable lithium batteries last longer, charge faster, and maintain brightness levels more consistently. USB-C recharging has become the standard, making it easy for people to power their emergency gear with the same cables they use for phones and tablets. This convenience and performance combination has transformed flashlights from simple tools into high-tech essentials. Crucially, Americans are also thinking more about everyday safety. Whether it's walking through dim parking lots, driving long distances at night, or navigating poorly lit spaces, people see flashlights as personal safety devices. Many models now come with tactical features, like strobe modes or hardened bezels, designed to disorient threats or assist in emergencies. And commuters and urban residents are increasingly carrying compact, ultra-bright flashlights as part of their daily essentials. Retail data shows that customers are no longer satisfied with good-enough tools. They want the best light output, the longest battery life, and the most durable construction, without paying premium prices. And thanks to mass adoption and improved manufacturing, even budget-friendly flashlights now offer performance that once cost several $100s. Another fascinating part of this trend is the rise of multi-purpose emergency gadgets. Consumers don't want single-function tools anymore. They want compact devices that combine several useful features. Flashlight plus power bank plus window breaker plus seatbelt cutter for the car. These multifunction gadgets appeal to homeowners, travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and families who want readiness equipment that doesn't take up too much storage space. The auto industry is also influencing demand. As more drivers recognize the importance of keeping an emergency kit in the car, ultra-bright flashlights have become standard additions alongside jumper cables and first aid kits. Roadside safety concerns, unpredictable weather, and longer commute times all contribute to this rising awareness. At the same time, local governments, safety organizations, and community groups are running preparedness campaigns encouraging households to keep emergency gear on hand. Whether it's a wildfire zone, hurricane region, tornado-prone area, or simply a place with aging electrical infrastructure, Americans are being urged to build resilience at home. Flashlights and emergency gadgets are at the top of those readiness lists. Interestingly, this surge in demand is pushing companies to rethink design and branding. Flashlight makers are no longer targeting only campers or professionals. They're marketing to families, homeowners, and everyday consumers. Packaging is cleaner. User interfaces are simpler. Devices are sleeker. This shift broadens the appeal and makes high-performance safety tools feel accessible rather than intimidating. Looking ahead, this trend isn't slowing down. Manufacturers are exploring new materials, stronger weatherproofing, improved heat management, and even wireless charging bases for emergency lighting gear. We may see modular flashlights that accept attachable heads, magnetic beam extenders, or swappable battery cartridges. Emergency gadgets will continue evolving into smarter, more connected devices with built-in alerts, location tracking, and automated readiness checks. But the core reason for rising demand remains simple. People want to feel prepared. They want tools they can trust during outages, storms, breakdowns, and unexpected situations. Ultra-bright flashlights and emergency gadgets offer reassurance, practical, tangible reassurance, in a world where so much feels uncertain. For many Americans, these tools have moved from the nice-to-have category into the essential category. They're no longer just gear for campers or handymen. They're everyday safety devices. And as long as reliability, readiness, and self-sufficiency remain top priorities for consumers, the market for powerful, durable emergency tools will continue to grow. The rise of ultra-bright flashlights and emergency gadgets isn't just about technology. It's about the modern American mindset, prepared, equipped, and ready for whatever comes next.